back to my channel. So I'm Jess, and today we will be showing you how to draw a portrait. Simple, quick and easy. So let's get on with the video. Alright, so your first step is to draw a curved line from the one bottom corner to the other bottom corner. So above the curved line, in the center of it, you will draw a straight line upwards as a guideline for the neck between your shoulders and the head. Then you will draw an oval shaped, circle shaped head, making sure that head meets the top of that straight guideline we drew. And feel free to erase any imperfections. This is why I'm using Braille. Then from the part that curves down, on either side, you will draw two straight lines to make the neck, and erase your guideline for the neck. So your next step is to draw a curved line from the one side of the neck to the other side of the neck, in the curved line that we drew first. Then you will draw another line, giving it a less than a centimeter gap between both, make the collar. So then your next step is to draw the guidelines for your head, which is one line acrossways in the top third and one line directly down in the center. Using your line that's going acrossways as a guide, on one half of that line you will draw a curve on the top of the line and then a curve below the line to make the eyes. And then you will do the same on the other side. And don't be afraid to play around if things are a little tricky till you get it right. So basically you draw the eyebrows, you will do a curved line just above the eye. That's the same curvature as the eye. Then you will draw another curved line connecting to that. Then you'll draw a line that's curved that will connect back to the first line of the eyebrow that you drew. Then you will draw a little bit down from the eyes, you will draw a curved shape, a semicircle for the nose, and put two black holes in it. Then for the lip you will draw a curve. You'll start a little way up, then you'll go curve down and up, slight curve back down, up, another slight curve back down, then a curve back up, and a curved line between to connect them, and then your gentle smiley face in the middle of those two lines. So your next step is to draw the inside of the eyes, which is you'll draw in the center two curved lines connecting the top line of the eye to the bottom line that you drew of the eye, and then you will put a black dot in it. Do the same for the other one. To draw the fringe, you will draw a curved line from the center to the side just above the eyebrow. You will draw a line less than a centimeter above the head that curves down and around the face shape and then flicks out to the side of the page. Then you will draw, for the hair to come over the shoulders, you will draw one line that will connect with the neckline down to the bottom of the page, and then you will draw one from that slight curved bit that you had at the bottom that you have at the bottom of the hair downwards. And then you will erase any guidelines that you don't want anymore. You will erase any lines that you don't want anymore, any guidelines that were there. Now, if you do erase it, feel free to trace back over the parts that you accidentally erased with pencil. So if this video was helpful, give it a big thumbs up. And then your next step is to colour it in. So your next step is just to use a skin coloured pencil or a pencil of your coloured choice for the skin if you have no pencils that suit for the colour of the skin that you want. Orange works as long as you do it very, very lightly. Or brown will do if you're going for a darker skin tone. So then, for your next part, you will make it a little bit darker using your skin coloured pencil along the bottom of the chin area, just to give it a bit more of a 3D effect. Then you will use green for the colour of the eyes. Then you will use a black marker for the colour of the pupil and the nostrils to give them a bit more darkness. So then you will make it a bit darker from the side of the nose, going a little bit on an angle up to the top, getting lighter, to give the nose a bit more of a 3D effect as well. Then I will use brown for the hair and the eyebrows. So I'm actually going to add a bit of colour in the hair, so I'm not actually going to go all the way down, but I'm not going to just stop straight. I'm also going to make the lines a bit more jaggedy where I stop to give it a better dye effect for the hair. Then I will use my purple pencil for the t-shirt, making sure the collar part is darker than the rest of the t-shirt. so that is it for this video. So hope this was helpful, and I will see you for more fun arts, crafts and DIYs in my next video. And also, don't forget to go follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description box down below. Goodbye!